Pre-central gyrus, we talked about that this is the pre-central gyrus. This is the actually the central gyrus. Central gyrus. So the swelling along with that, we can say this is the pre-motor primary motor area, and then we have got the pre-motor area, and then we also have got the supplementary motor area. What is the function of the primary motor area? It is actually located in that of the frontal lobe, and it is the main part, and it plays a very important role in the motor area or the motor functioning and the motor tracts. So sending the motor signals, we can say the primary motor area is a main location present within that of the central nervous system, or we can say the forebrain, or we can say the the central area, which is the CNS. And also, what is the primary is done now. Premotor area, what is the function of the premotor area? That it allows the programming, it does the programming, and it initiates the thing before the action happens. It initiates thinking before the action really happens. You have to know the initial movement of your body before you begin the before you begin the action. What, for example, in the I was talking about the thing that, for example, if I have to take something, if I have to take up the board marker, okay, so what would happen, that first of all my central nervous system thinks that, okay, I have to take up the board marker. So then my central nervous system would send my signals to my upper arms, to my hands, and to my muscles, that, okay, do go and pick it up. And at the same time, it will also send the signal to my back to bend a little, and it will also send some signals to my lower limb to move. Okay, and then I will go and take it up, and even it will send the signals to my fingers, to my hand, to pick it up. Okay, this is not a general thing that you see and you grab it. Your central nervous system is constantly, first of all, you have to know that which is your actual movement, like which is our actual movement, that we studied in the ascending tracts. Remember that we had the unconscious tract. Remember, there was the unconscious tract. First of all, we have to take that tract. First of all, the information goes into the brain that, okay, my final position of my hand is this, my initial position of my hand is this, and then I have to go and grab the board marker. So I have to know the final position as well. Okay, then I will pick it up and I will bring it to the position that I want. So you see how many positions are there. First of all, you have to know the initial position, and then you have to grab the thing which is the final position of your body. So not only one of the signals would be going, thousands of signals would be going, many of the signals are going, like to move your hand, to move your muscles, to move your limbs, to move your back, to move your neck, whatever the position is needed to pick up that specific substance, you will make over there. And the decision which is for the initial movement is, or knowing the initial movement is by the pre-motor area, is doing by what, is did by what, pre-motor area. So you see that this is the very important system. Then supplementary system, this is actually the not very much important, but it takes a part in that of the motor reacts. This is the primitive, this helps in the primitive movement, for example, the hip movement, or you can say the bilateral movement. Bilateral means double-sided movements, so it is important for that. So what happens is that premotor area and primary motor area are important. Premotor area is extremely important to know the pre-position, or you must have to know the initial position of your body, the initial position of wherever your products are or wherever your things are, so that you can go and change the things according to your need. So from here, from the premotor area, it will send the signal to the primary motor area. Whenever this will send the primary motor area the signal, this will further on send the signal to the spinal cord. Either the spinal cord, either the pons, either the medulla, either the wherever it wants to. For example, it may send the signal to the midbrain. In the midbrain there is the nucleus for the third cranial nerve, and the oculomotor, or it can also send the signal to the midbrain for the fourth cranial nerve, or to the fifth cranial nerve, or the seventh cranial nerve, the facial nerve, or trigeminal nerve, or the abducent, or the vagal nerve, or whatever it is, it will send over the signal over there. So you see how it is important. The descending tracts are important for sending the signals from one area to the other area. Central gyrus is present, and the swelling over there, we can have that there is the primary motor area, and then we have the premotor area, then we have the supplementary motor area. So what is the importance of the primary motor area? That it actually receives the information from the premotor area. And what is for the supplementary motor area? It is responsible for the primitive movements, for example the hip movements, for example the bilateral movements, or whatever you can say, that is the primitive movement. Up to now, are you clear? Now, what happens is that the cerebellum is constantly having the information from all over the body, that where are your actual position. Cerebellum, this is the cerebellum. This is okay. I have not made the cerebellum over here. So this is the cerebellum. It is constantly having the information, from where your signal where are your body parts presenting over there. So cerebellum is immediately informed about that, and then it will send the signal to the motor area, that from like what performance you have to do now. So this is the start of the descending tract. Okay, are you getting? Now afterwards, what it will do, it will send the signal, and will send the signal downwards to the spinal cord, as the ascending tracts were sending signals. Okay, you get it? Now, for example, if it is irritated, if this tract is irritated, for example, your premotor area is defective, or you can say that primary motor area is defective. It is not actually that much important, but still, if it is defective, primary motor area is defective, premotor area, how can it send the signal to the primary motor area? Then you cannot get the descending signals. You will know that what is your need. You will know that where are your, for example, the pain is coming over here. Okay, for example, you have itching. So your sending system will send the signals that there is itching. Now you have to move this hand. You have to move this hand to itch over here. But if your primary motor area is defective, premotor area cannot send the signal to the primary motor area. So then, even though you know that you are itching, you cannot move your hand to itch over here. So you will feel that, but you cannot itch over there. Okay, so it can also lead to the paralysis, or different things over there. We will discuss that things afterwards. But here, the start of the premotor, the start of the descending tracts we have discussed about. Now there is also one term, homunculus. Homunculus, what does it mean? Homunculus is just an imaginary thing that we are saying, or for the sake of description, we can say this is present over there. It's not actually that you have this thing in your brain, but this is a part, or this we can say, just to imagine the thing, or to make it easier for the sake of remembrance, we make it like this, that this area of the brain where the okay, let me remove this. So this area is sending signal to the tongue. This area is sending signal to your face. This area is sending signal to your hand, and this is for trunk, hand, and this is for trunk, and then this area is for your foot. So you see why I am making that. For example, if from this side, the signals are coming, so the tongue is giving signal, or the face is giving, for the face it will go to the hand, it will go to the trunk, it will go, and the foot it will go. So it actually called as the homunculus. Okay, so this is actually not a medical term, or the thing is just for the sake of remembrance. We can say that the motor homunculus, that the motor neurons are coming from this area. Okay, are you getting my point? So this was just the introduction to that of descending tracts. Now we will actually discover or actually see what are the descending tracts. Okay, the descending tracts, there are so many descending tracts, but the most important tract is the corticospinal tract. Corticospinal tract, what do you hear from the cortical? What do you think or what do you imagine from the corticospinal tract?
It goes to cortex.
Does it look like our central nervous system? Okay, this is our central nervous system. What we can say that from the cortical region we will get the signals. We will get the signals, and then they will be collected together, and they will go to one thing which we call as the internal capsule. What is internal capsule? Okay, we will see that now. You see there are thalami. Is it okay? In between, what is present? This is what?
Ventricle.
Third?
Ventricle.
Ventricle. Okay, very good. Now, here we see that just like this, we have got a substance which is called as the internal nucleus, internal capsule. What it is called as? Internal capsule. We will study these things, whole things, how they are formed, what are their importance, but just trust me that what I am saying is right. Okay, and after the the internal capsule, we have got another substance which we call as the lentiform nucleus. This is this shape, lentiform nucleus, and this is called as the putamen, and we also have got. So this is lentiform nucleus, and on that lentiform nucleus we have got an other substance which we call as the this is the part which we can say this is the caudate nucleus. Okay, so this is how actually the system is present over there. I just told I'm just trying to make your minds a little bit clear what is actually and these even these are called as the basal nuclei. We will also talk about that what is the basal nuclei after after this lecture, because in this descending tracks this will be useless to tell you about these things, but still we can say that in the internal capsule the signal comes and goes to the internal capsule. The signal comes and goes to the what? Internal capsule, just like in this way, and from the internal capsule they are going downwards, and downwards they are going to the spinal cord. Okay, you see that? Now this is very interesting. Get up in the class, don't sleep in my class. What happens is that from the this is what this is. You guys are not responding. I guess
Internal capsules.
this is internal capsule, and this is what?
The lentiform nucleus.
This is the lentiform nucleus. Okay, good. From the cortical region, the signals would be coming
From the internal capsule
and going to the internal capsule, and they would be forming like from the homunculus. If it is coming, it is forming the corona radiata. These fan-like projections are called as the corona radiata. From different like from everywhere it can come. Okay, this is not specific that from this part it will come or that part is come, from anywhere it can come. We will call it as the corona radiata. Okay, done up to now. Okay, this is after that this has been this has come over here. They will go downwards, they will descend downwards. These signals will go down, 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 and down, down, down. How much down it will become? Just at the region of the medulla, and when it will reach the point as a pontomedullary junction, we can say, you remember we called it that at the medulla, the medullary region, we had got the the central sulcus. There is the sulcus present over there. We can call it as anterior sulcus. This was the anterior sulcus, and we called it that these are pyramids. Remember, these were pyramids and these were olives. Okay, this we used to call it pyramids. Remember, we used to call this region as the pyramids, and these we used to call it as the olives. Okay, now how these pyramids were formed? Actually, these pyramids were formed by a substance which we call as the swelling. Okay, the swelling made these substance. The swelling made these. You see, they will form. They will just like they will be exposed or exposed in no, we cannot say it's exposed, but they will be opened up, more opened up, and when they will open up afterwards, they will be again joined and they will went down. But at the region of the medulla, they will be opened, and they will be opened for increasing the surface area. Okay, increasing the surface area, and there are also some of the nucleus is present over there. Their nucleus is present over there. Do you get that? So what happens is, due to these swellings, we can say that we can say that the medulla has got the pyramids. So these are forming the pyramids. Actually, they are not looking like pyramids, but they have become the swellings. And they are then going downwards. Okay, and when they are going downwards, in between they are crossing over here at this point in the spinal cord. Just after forming this, they would be crossed over here, and then they will come down. Let me make it from another color so that it might be clear for you. So they will cross over here, and then they will descend downwards to that of the spinal cord, and in the a crossover, but this will be crossing over at the point here, and some of them will be crossing over at the lower point. We will discuss it afterwards, but now up till now we are just getting the basic concept that the corticospinal tract from the cortex, it has been started and ended into the spinal tract or the spinal cord. From the cortex, the whole of the corona radiata is formed, and then it goes to the internal capsule, and from the internal capsule it will be descending down to the medulla oblongata, and medulla oblongata, this will have the swelling due to the dispersion of the fibers. The fibers will be dispersed, and it will form a barrel shaped substance, and then it will be going downwards, and that barrels were forming the medulla oblongata's pyramids, that were forming the swellings over there. So you see, whenever we discuss about the medulla oblongata, we find that there are the swellings present over there. Okay, for example, if we talk about the medulla oblongata, we will say that there are the swellings present over here. And what are these? These are the this is what that is coming down. These are the corticospinal tracts that are going downwards. Okay, medulla oblongata is forming that. But what happens is that if there is some kind of the lesions in between these areas, so we can say that it can cause hemiparalysis. Hemiparalysis means that hemi means half, paralysis means muscles pain. So half of the muscle pain, half of the body which we having that specific receptor or that specific part, it will having the hemiparalysis, the paralysis of one side of the body. Hemiparesis means paralysis of one side of the body. Okay. Now there are total 1 billion of the neurons present within that of the body, and within that of the this whole tract, and these are giving signal to one and other. These nucleuses are called as the pontomedullary nucleuses. Pontomedullary nucleuses, or we can also call it pontine nucleus.
The swellings are called.
No,
Or
the
the
nucleuses are
nucleus
called
that are
as pontine.
So the nucleus that are present in swelling is called.
Yes, they are called as the pontine nucleuses. There are also some of the substance.
After that, third order neurons will start.
What about the
Okay,
arrangement of orders?
okay, we are going to that. We are just discussing about the tracts over here. Okay, afterwards when we will discuss the each and every part, we will discuss that how the tracts are present and how they are important in our body. But up till now, we are just having the general view about it. Okay. Now there are also some of the fibers that are going from these pontine nucleuses to the cerebellum. You remember? So there are some from these nucleuses, they are going to the cerebellum, and we can say that this pathway is called as the cortico-pontine pathway. Okay, or pontico-cortical pathway. Cortico-pontine pathway. These are the signals which are going from these nucleuses to the cerebellum. Okay, now you get my point. Now we can also do the thing that this goes from the middle. This goes from the middle cerebellar peduncle. This goes from the one part to the other part, from the pons to the the medulla to the cerebellum, from the inferior, from the middle cerebellar peduncle. Okay, clear up to now? Now we will discuss each and every part one by one,